I'm going to show you how to set up booking types so that customers can book things like test drives, vehicle viewings, deliveries and collections through your website. There are 4 main areas to consider which will affect how the bookings work. The first one is your opening hours under the business menu. This is where you have different opening hours for different purposes. So these are our main business opening hours, 9 till 5. We then have delivery opening hours between 10 and 12 and then 1 and 4. We have a collection opening hours, which is 11 till 4. And I've set our booking opening hours to be 10 till 4. You'll be able to assign any of these opening hours to any of the booking types. The next thing to set up that will impact bookings is your calendars. So at the moment we just have the primary calendar. So if we set up a new one, which call it test drive, and have a specific calendar for test drives, we'll now have a choice of calendars that the booking can appear in. We can also quickly make one for collections. So we're now ready to create the actual booking types. So this is under the website menu and in settings, and then across to the bookings tab. By default, we have test drives, viewings, deliveries and collections, but you can add your own custom booking types as well. So we'll first set up vehicle test drives. And as you can see, we can choose which appointment calendar it goes into based on the ones we just created. So for this one, we'll put it in the test drive calendar. And we also have the choice of opening hours. So because we chose the delivery hours to be from 10 till 12 and then 1 till 4, we can choose that, and now customers won't be able to book test drives outside of those hours. As I said before, you can assign any opening hours in any calendar to any of the booking types, including your own custom ones. So let's make the booking duration an hour. Let's allow just one simultaneous booking and a maximum of 4 per day. This figure is essentially how much notice you're given between a customer booking and between the actual booking itself. And then you can select if you want to send email or SMS confirmation and then a further reminder. The reminder can have additional text content as well. So now with vehicle viewings, if we set that up, we might be okay with that just being the business hours, and they can book at any time during the day, and they can just go into the primary calendar. So what you can see from this is each of the bookings can be different to each other. They can appear in different calendars and they can work off different hours. And then if you go down to the bottom, you want to add your own custom booking, you can just add that there and choose from the same parameters. Once you've edited or created a booking, press Update Settings to save it. And then when bookings are made on your website, you'll be able to see them color-coded in your calendar. The final step is to go to website pages. Your default test drive and viewing pages, which contain the vehicle test drive or the vehicle viewing modules, are automatically linked to the test drive booking type and also the viewing booking type. If we go into the test drive one, we can see this module automatically allows people to book test drives. The same goes for the arrange viewing page. To add another booking type, we need to add the contact form module to a page on our website. So for the purposes of this demo, I'll create its own page and we'll insert the contact form module. Now we have a choice of various different layouts. We can have, for example, a full width version. If we go to the form, this is where we actually put the booking type in. So you can see here, these are the 4 default ones and then the special custom one we made. We have a button which we can change to book special event there, and that will change this. The important thing to remember is preferred date and time, and this will bring in the opening hours we've set up, and it will mean that the customers can only book during the opening hours that we've assigned to this particular booking type. And then if we go back to the contact form, this is obviously the full width one, but we could do something like go back to the default and then put in a body of text here, change the title of the overall page like this, and on the form itself we can change this to book special event. So it's all customizable. There's more described on this in the actual website modules video, but you can put in other fields as well that you might want the customers to fill out. So just, do you have a car to sell? And that just gives a simple yes, no checkbox. But the important things in terms of the booking type itself is the fact they can now book this event and they can now choose a time specified within your desired opening hours for that booking type. When you actually see it on the website, it will look like that. They can choose the date, the time, and then they can finally book